Hi, let's break down the animation from the video I uploaded a few days ago. So go through it step by step. We will start with the first scene. This scene is built using very simple shapes. I have animated only position and opacity. You can easily cut these layers or duplicate them and change the colors depending on your scene and mood. All the shape layers and text layers are parented to a null object. This is very important. I keep the background layers unparented so they stay stable while the main elements move. This setup makes animation adjustments much easier and keeps everything clean. Now let's move to the second scene. First I turn off all the adjustment layers and the transform effect. We will enable these later at the end. You can convert the keyframe into toggle hold keyframes. This helps keep the animation more static and give it a sharper graphic feel. Here you can see the main animation of the hand and clock. I didn't do any heavy frame by frame animation here. Most of the movement is created using puppet tool, which is perfect for simple character and object animation. To make the hand grab the lock, I masked one finger and placed it above the block. This small detail helps interaction and makes the animation feel more realistic. From the lock animation, I masked it, duplicate the layer, invert the mask and then adjusted the position and rotation. After that, parent the lock layer to another lock layer so you could animate it smoothly. In 2D animation, null objects are extremely powerful. You will notice I often parent one null to another null. This gives me more control, especially when creating transitions between the scenes. Moving on to the next scene. Here I draw a simple line and animate it using trim path. This is one of the easiest way to create clean motion. Here I just draw a random line. Place a shape on top of it. That shape is parented to the line layer, so everything moves together. This scene is intentionally simple. I animate the position and rotation of the objects and the main shadow using the puppet tool again. If you want to add more depth to the shadow, you can apply the levels effect and slightly increase the darkness. All the layers of this scene are parented to a null. I do the same for the next scene and then animate the null for the transition. This keeps the project organized and avoid unnecessary keyframes. If you are not familiar with this transition method, let me know in the comment. I will explain it in detail in a future video. Once again, I animate the hand using the puppet tool. In this part, I animate a shape and then made the video with that shape to create this reveal effect. These elements are made from simple shapes. Animated using bounce expression. You can find these expressions easily online. Just search on Google After Effects bounce expression. After that, I animate these with the puppet tool and apply the tint effect to convert it into black and white. This helps maintain constant visual style. These PNGs assets were downloaded from the Google. I apply the bounce expression to the scale to give them a subtle organic movement. Again, I parent everything to a null so transitions remain smooth and controlled. This card animation is created entirely from simple shapes. The hand animation here follows the same process as the hand and log animation earlier. Masking, duplicating layers and adjusting position rotating. Now let's go back to the shake effect. To add an expression, hold Alt and click on the position key. Type wiggle, set your first value, then connect the second value to the slider controller. I apply Gaussian blur to the adjustment layer and control it using keyframes. This adds a subtle dip and helps blend the animation together. And that's the breakdown of the